I'm Isabel. I'm here for the dog show with the world famous Bob. Bob, thank you for chatting with us today. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going to go down here today?
Sure. So this is the 6th annual Coney Island Pet Pageant, and the entry to get in is actually a donation of food to Sean Casey Animal Rescue. So what we're doing here today is not only asking pet owners to bring their pets out and entertain the kids and have a good time, but we're also promoting the rescue of animals and finding forever homes for all of the creatures that need it.
That's terrific. Can you tell us a little bit more about the rescue efforts?
Well, the rescue efforts, we do have a tie-in with SCAR, Sean Casey Animal Rescue. They're based here in Brooklyn, and the entry fee to enter the pageant is actually 2 cans of food. A lot of people are bringing even more, and we're taking cash donations for that rescue. They work very closely with a lot of the people that are out rescuing animals here, specifically in Coney Island, Brooklyn. They're a Brooklyn-based rescue, and this is Deno's Wonder Wheel family. They're sponsoring the pet pageant. Every year they do this, so they put up the money so that we can all come together and enjoy the People's Playground, Coney Island, as well as celebrating all the animals in our lives.
That's terrific, and you got a beautiful day for it.
We do.
Anything else you want to tell us about what's going to go down here today? What do you think is going to be the craziest thing that happens this afternoon?
Well, I don't want to give anything away, but I do know that we have a turtle contestant by the name of Pee-wee. I'm very excited to see how he places. And the last thing I would like to say to any of the viewers is just having any type of new family member is a huge responsibility. So please make sure that you have the time and the money to care for your new loved one before you adopt. It's a very serious task to add to your family. And if you do have those things, then by all means, go find a pet.
Indeed. Well, thank you so much. The world famous Bob. Let's hear it. And here's to an awesome afternoon. Thank you. I am Isabel for the Dog Show.